Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and if you've owned cars long enough, you've probably dealt with a dead car battery. Let me tell you why I'm happy I got this SCOSCHE 700 amp portable jump starter. The main reason I like it is it's safe and it's easy to use while being very portable. The safety features that matter the most to me are the spark-proof protection and the reverse polarity protection. So no matter who is using this, they'll be safe even if a mistake is made. Other features like overvoltage, overcurrent, and short current protection are going to protect my car and the battery pack. You don't get any of these protections with jumper cables. Next is the size. With a 15,000 milliamp capacity, it's not much bigger than a similar capacity power bank, but this can jumpstart my car in addition to just my mobile devices. Of course, it will still take care of your mobile devices with the 2 USB ports. Not only can it fit in a glove compartment or a backpack or purse, but you also don't have to worry about getting another car close enough like you would with jumper cables. For safety, it also has a flashlight, which I've already used as a light source, but it also has an SOS pattern and a strobe light function for safety. I'm glad I got the 700 amp model. You can see what happens when you connect it to a battery that's well charged, and compare that against the difference between a battery that's got very low voltage. It automatically detects that and recommends that you use the boost button. So if you drive cars often, even if you don't own it, having this is going to be a lifesaver, either for you or for somebody else that's in a bind. That's why I think this SCOSCHE 700 amp portable jump starter is a great solution for almost everyone. But that's just my point of view.